The 130s have what? Just as much drag as the 80s? Or
I don't know, 200.
I love mother. Talk about getting skipped across the beach.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call the whole team.
You're gonna have to be freaking harnessed in, and even if you're harnessed in, you better hope your bones don't give.
I've been skipped across the rocks to the jetties. At Mansfield, on about it was at least 9. The bull was between me and little Chris were out there fishing. We couldn't measure nothing because it was just he and I in pitch black.
Yeah.
And that bitch had me skipping on the rocks. Then I fell in between some rocks, and that bull came over me.
Oh shit!
And I had the bull here, and I was just like, and I pushed them off, and I had the leader and Chris, and then we did everything we could, and then finally in the end, we had on on a rock, and I said, fuck pictures. And so I just looked at it, said, he's about 9, and then took the hooks out, and then pushed his ass back, but all cut up, all scratched up, and it was crazy.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Heart Life Captain Albert Sartuche, and I've got another unboxing video. It's got some weight to it. So, yeah. Thank you. Make sure I am recording. I've done that, gone through the whole spiel and didn't even record. Alright, so we've got an HXW. Ooh, that's pretty color. Gunmetal. Like it. I'll be right with y'all. Some kind of big reel here. That's a pretty color. Got a nice 80. This is a T-Rex 80. That's a bright red, man. That's a bright red.
Right.
What else? Blue HXW. Right after. Sorry, I always look for the left side plate. Maybe by chance they found another HXW Raptor MC. But I ain't got one yet. So. Little brother.
I might go home too.
That'll never get old. Yeesh, got a purple one. Nice. Very smooth. one of our unboxing videos, but we also did have something else come in today. So that is another custom wrap rod right here, and I think we're calling this the 4-Star General because you've got a 4-star wrap right here, and you also got your bird right there. But let me flip it. All these strings from all this plexiglass I have standing up. Check that out. Oh yeah, that is magnificent. So yeah, very, very nice coloring all the way up through the guides. So I know whose right this is, I'm just saying. Oh yeah, I like how you offset the tip right there too. So, again, there's pretty much no theme that we can get accomplished, so be sure to check it out, and we got some more work to do. I gotta run to the back. Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sarsucha here with Seth
Kasurik.
He asked him how to say his last name because the spelling and enunciation are two different things. Kind of like what my last name is, Sarsucha. And everybody's like S-A-R or something. I was like, no, it's Z-E-R.
They'll say in yours too, don't worry.
Well, he was the last name that was drawn, so that was first place in our drawing for an MXL Raptor combo with tackle and stuff like that. So he's already gone through, and he actually went ahead and got himself a gar rig, got himself some the mini casting redfish rigs, and we got him some trout rigs right here. And actually, we got to get you another two. I forgot that other one. So.
Yep.
Yeah, so he got that, and then he went ahead and went with the split grip tackle industry rod. So that's pretty cool. I actually like the carbon fiber look on it and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So, but yes, that's another 8150-pound class rod right there. And then two, he went with the gold MXL Raptor. So I'm gonna spool this up real quick, and we'll get him hooked up. But yes, congratulations again.
Yes, sir. Thank
And you have one in our other ones, right?
No, not your other ones,
No?
but previous raffles and stuff. Oh yeah.
Okay. So yes, we do have good luck here, guys. You know, so stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff to get done, and you know, got to get it done. Love that sound.
Yeah.